Yes, my dear students, in last class I studied a quadratic equation, standard form, and the roots and the methods to get the roots of the quadratic equations by factorization and completing square method, and also by formula method, and also nature of the roots. Just you can remind ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Roots are x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. And the nature of the roots. That is b is equal to b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the quadratic equation. If b greater than 0, roots are real and rational. If b less than 0, roots are not real. If b equal to 0, roots are real and equal. These are the points already you have studied. So let us today, we want to know how to solve the verbal examples on quadratic equation. That is verbal examples. On quadratic equation. Let's see some examples. The diagonal of a rectangle. The diagonal of a rectangle. Just I want to read. E is 60 meter more than the shorter side. If the larger side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. It means rectangular field. So here rectangular field. Rectangular field. ABCD is a rectangular field. The given diagonal of that rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. So by observing the figure, when ABCD is a rectangle, angle B is 90 degree, and AB is parallel to DC and BC is parallel to AD. So when we are observing this, the shorter side becomes BC. Let us consider shorter side is x meter. According to question, what it tells? The diagonal of rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. So diagonal equal to 60 meter more than the smaller side, shorter side. And if the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side is BC, longer side is AB, that is longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. These are the points given in the verbal example. So ABCD is a rectangular field where diagonal is AC. The given diagonal is 60 meter more than the shorter side. So shorter side is taken as x, and longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. Then find the length of the sides of the rectangular field. Yes, understanding? Okay. Now let the length shorter side. That is, you can write BC equal to x meter. We are considering this is the shorter side of the rectangular field. Also can we can take AD, same it is. Yes. So therefore diagonal length of diagonal, what they have told, 60 meter more than the shorter side, that is x plus 60 meter. And also longer side, length of longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. 30 meter more than the shorter side. So according to example, just a field diagram gives idea. ABC is the rectangular field, BC is the shorter side, AB is the longer side, AC is the diagonal. Yes. So now our work is try to put that relation in the form of standard form of quadratic equation. So here when you are observing the rectangle ABCD, very important point is what? That is angle B is 90 degree. Angle B is 90 degree means triangle ABC is right angled triangle. So where there is a right angle triangle, so Pythagoras theorem applies. So therefore in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, just I can remind you, Pythagoras theorem tells that in a right angle triangle, square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. So here in this triangle ABC, AC is a diagonal. AC is a diagonal. So square on the hypotenuse, diagonal itself become a hypotenuse. Therefore, that is sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. So now x plus 30 bracket square plus x square is equal to square on the hypotenuse. In right angle triangle, square on hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. So simplify. A plus b bracket square, x square plus 230 is a 60x plus 30 square is 900 plus x square equal to x square plus 260 is a 120x plus 60 square is 3600. Simplification, simple simplification. So now x square plus x square is 2x square plus 60x plus 900 minus x square minus 120x minus 3600 equal to 0. So what we are doing now, that we are bringing that in the form of standard form. So 2x square minus x square is x square, 60x plus minus 120x is minus 60x minus 3600 equal to 0. Now the total information given in the example brought in the form of standard form. Ax square plus 3x plus c equal to 0. The value of a is 1, the value of b is minus 60, the value of c is minus 3600. So this is the standard form. So in this standard form we can use, if it is easy to factorize, factorize. If it is not easy to factorize, computing square method, or then otherwise always formula is u. So we can use formula. So now I think it is easy to factorize. So I want to factorize. Product is minus 3600 minus 3600. Difference is 60. Difference is 60. That we can here minus 600 plus 900 minus 3600 plus 900 is minus 2700. So the product is 2700. 2x square minus x square is 1x square plus 60x minus 120x is minus 60x plus 900 minus 3600 is minus 2700. So is it? Okay. So product is minus 2700. Difference is 60. So 90 and 30. You know, 90 into 30 is 2700. But we want the minus 60. So bigger number is minus, smaller number is plus. So I want to split the middle term. That is x square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700. Understanding? See, it will be difficult when that is subtract, when we are not subtracting, and that it will become 3600. So that we cannot factorize. So very careful about that simplification. So split it. So now grouping. Therefore, x into bracket x minus 90 plus 30 into bracket x minus 90 equal to 0. So, x minus 90 is common again. The remaining terms are x plus 30 equal to 0. That a into b equal to 0, the Quadratic theorem I will explain. A into b equal to 0 means a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 90 equal to 0 or x plus 30 equal to 0. So, therefore, x equal to 90 or x equal to minus 30. So, what is your x? X is the length of the shorter side. Length should not be negative. So our answer is 90. Therefore, length of shorter side is equal to, that is x equal to 90 meter, and therefore length of longer side is equal to x plus 30, that is equal to 90 plus 30, 120 meter. See how we can solve the verbal examples related to quadratic equation. So first work is to try to put in a rough idea in the form of figure. Then according to given condition, try to put in the relations. Then by applying Pythagoras theorem or anything what they are doing like that, simplification, try to bring in the standard form. At this stage you can factorize or you can use formula. That is the example. Means length of the shorter side is 90 meter, length of the longer side is x plus 30, that is 90 plus 30, 120 meter. If they are asking to find the hypotenuse or diagonal of the rectangular field, is x plus 60, 90 plus 60 is 150 meter. Is it? Okay. So these are the steps. Here the important point is to put in relation, try to bring in standard form, then apply any one of the method. Always we are having a formula, you can use formula at any time. If factorization is easy, at that time no need to use the formula. Yes, next example. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. Try to understand the example. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180 and the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the numbers. So once again that I am repeating, the difference of the squares of two numbers is 180 and another one condition, the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. Okay, now let us take that, let us the larger number, let the larger number is x. Yes, what is the given? Since the given the difference of the squares of the two numbers is 180 and the squares of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Yes, so smaller number we don't know, smaller number square of the smaller number, square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number, 8 times the larger number. So that is 8 times larger number means x. So smaller number bracket square. Therefore, what is the smaller number? Smaller number is equal to square goes, square root comes 8x. Understanding? Once again I am repeating that example. The difference of the squares of two number is 180 and the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. This is given condition. So we have taken let the larger number be x. Therefore, according to condition, smaller number square of the smaller number is equal to 8 times the larger number. Therefore, smaller number means square goes, square root comes. Square goes, square root comes. The difference of the squares, difference of the squares of two numbers. Among the which is larger number, that is the larger number. So I want to write. Therefore, by given condition, difference of squares of the numbers, square minus root of 8x bracket square. The difference of the squares of two numbers is 180. This is the relation. Very careful about that step. Difference of what? Squares of two numbers. What are two numbers? One is the number which is 8 times the square of one number is 8 times the larger number. That is x square minus root of 8x equal to 180. So simplify. X square as it is minus root and square we cancel 8x minus 180 equal to 0, 0. Standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form. Then we can apply subtraction method or formula method or maybe in the completing square method. Then compare this x square minus 8x minus 180 equal to in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is a equal to coefficient of x is 1, b is equal to coefficient of x, c is equal to constant minus 180. So apply the formula. So we know that x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Formula is very careful. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a equal to substitute. The value of b is minus a. So minus of minus a plus or minus square root of b square, that is minus a bracket square minus 4. The value of a is 1. Value of c is minus 180 whole divided by 2a. First work is to write the formula correctly. Then second step is important that substitute the values. Then simplification as usual. Plus minus into minus plus a plus or minus square root of 8 square is 64 minus into minus plus 720 divided by 2 equal to a plus or minus square root of 784 divided by 2 equal to a plus or minus square root of 784 square root of 784. I think it is 28 plus or minus, that is plus or minus 28 divided by 2. Therefore x equal to 8 plus 28 divided by 2 equal to 36 divided by 2 equal to 18. Secondly, x equal to 8 minus 28 divided by 2 equal to minus 20 divided by 2 equal to minus 10. These are the roots. But we know that we want to see that larger number, small number like that. 18 is larger number. Here once again that step I want to remind you, then you can find the value of smaller, bigger number is 18, but the smaller number square is 8 times that. You can find the smaller number. So now the difference of the squares of two number is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. You have to relate the terms. Then relation gives, which gives in the standard form. At that time, here also by formula method or factorization method also 180, product is 180, difference is minus 8. So 18 tens are minus 18 plus 10. Lastly you are getting plus 18 minus 10. So these are the steps involved in verbal examples. Okay. Here the important point is relating the terms, how they are related. Then once the relation comes, try to put in standard form. Then apply the factorization method or formula method. This example related to speed, distance and time. What is the relation between speed, distance and time? We know very well. Speed is equal to total distance covered divided by time taken. Very known formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. That also we can write. Time is equal to distance upon speed. And distance equal to speed into time, and distance is equal to speed into time. These are relations in between speed, distance and time. So example. So now the train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. Distance traveled. Just I am writing this roughly. Distance travelled is equal to 360 km. Uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, 5 km per hour is more, and it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So speed of the train, like I am taking x km per hour. So what is the time? Time is equal to distance upon speed, 360 divided by speed, that is x. This is said to be an hour time. So this is a very important relation. So now time taken by covering the 360 km is 360 by speed. Speed was taken as x km per hour. So if 5 km per hour more speed is, at that time the relation they have given. At that time, what is the time taken by the train to cover the same distance is 360. This is also time. First condition is for taken speed of the train is x km per hour, then time is equal to distance upon speed. If it would have 5 km per hour more, at that time the time taken by that is 1 hour less. That will relate then. So at that time the time taken is 360 by x plus 5. So condition is 1 hour less when 5 km per hour more it starts the speed. So that will to relate. Yes. Let the uniform speed. Let the uniform speed of the train is, that is, x km per hour. Therefore, time taken by train is equal to, by the relation, 360 by x hour. When speed is 5 kilometer per hour more, then time taken equal to, then time taken is 1 hour less. That are going to relate. So when that is 360 divided by x plus 5 km, means when the speed of the train is 5 km per hour more, at that time it takes time 1 hour less. See now, when 5 km speed is going increasing, at that time 1 hour less by the first time to cover the same time. So try to put this in the form of standard form, then solve the example. So now it gives that 360 divided by x plus 5 minus 360 by x equal to minus 1. Simplification. So 360 is taking out 1 upon x plus 5 minus 1 upon x equal to minus 1. Simplification it is. So 360 into bracket by cross multiplication and LCM, x into bracket x plus 5 is LCM. This is x, this minus is applied, minus x minus 5 equal to minus 1. Therefore, here x get cancelled, numerator is multiplied by minus 5, so 360 into minus 5 equal to minus 1 into bracket x into bracket x plus 5. This x into bracket x plus 5 comes here, and so minus is there on both sides, cancel that. So 360 into 5 equal to x into x square plus 5x. Therefore x square plus 5x minus 1800 equal to 0, standard form. Yes, once again that steps. Uniform speed is x km per hour. Distance covered is 360 km. Therefore, time taken equal to distance upon speed. It would have 5 km per hour more, at that time 1 hour less. The relation gives 360 upon x plus 5 equal to 360 by x minus 1. So, simple simplification gives your standard form. So, now here you can use factorization method or formula method. Okay. So, now using the formula a equal to 1, b is equal to 5, c equal to minus 1800. Therefore, writing the formula x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Substitute the values. Minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 bracket square minus 4, value of a is 1, value of B is minus 1800 divided by 2a equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus into minus plus 18 fours are 72, that is zeros, divided by 2 equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 7225 divided by 2. Yes. Therefore, which is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 7225 is equal to plus or minus 85. 85 divided by 2. We got the values. Okay. Then so first case x equal to minus 5 plus 85 divided by 2 equal to 80 divided by 2 is equal to 40. That means x. Second, x equal to minus 5 minus 85 divided by 2 equal to minus 90 upon 2 is equal to minus 45. So, what is our x? X is uniform speed of the train. So, it must be positive, not negative. So, this is our answer. This is not an answer because it is negative. Therefore, speed of train is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. This is how to solve verbal examples which are in the form of, which you can convert in the form of quadratic equations. So, verbal examples can be related to and try to put in the standard form. Then, using any one method, get the answers. Okay? These are the verbal examples on quadratic equations. Yes, dear students, these are the homework examples. So just I want to remind you, find the discriminants of each of the following quadratic equations. X square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. All are in the standard form only. So here, discriminant. What is discriminant? D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Comparing with the standard form, value of a, b and c. The value of a is 1, b is plus 2, c is plus 3. So, find discriminant b square minus 4ac for all the questions. Second question is, examine whether the following quadratic equation have real roots. Real roots means when you are finding D discriminant, are they getting greater than 0 or not? If they are greater than 0, then just write yes. Otherwise, no. Just write no. So here also all are the standard form. So try to write discriminant again. You have to tell whether this equation has real roots. It means greater than 0, D, yes. Otherwise, no. These are the examples for homework. Try to do this. Thank you.